Why are you here? Well, hopefully it's because you're getting a message like this, or a message like this. If so, stick around and I'll show you how a quick and easy fix for getting Windows 11 to install on your ancient computer. If you're not getting a message like that, then click like and subscribe and come back another time. So if you're getting a message like the PC doesn't currently meet the Windows 11 system requirements, or your processor isn't currently supported for Windows 11, then I've got a quick fix that's been shown to work on multiple unsupported CPUs and should work for you too. Now the chances are you're trying to install Windows 11 via the Windows Update, or you've run the PC Health Check tool and that's where you've seen this message. This fix won't allow you to do it that way, but it shows you how to do it a different way, and it's just as easy. And I'm going to show you how to do it. So firstly, what you're going to want to do is start by downloading the latest version of Windows 11. To do that, you want to go to this website, which is microsoft.com/software-download/Windows 11. Make sure you are getting it from microsoft.com. There are many dodgy websites out there trying to convince you can get Windows 11 some other way. And what you're going to do is you're going to ignore these first couple of options and you're going to go down to this download Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64 devices. You're going to need to select that. Why you need to select it when there's only one edition, I don't know. Excuse me. Click the download button. Choose the language you prefer it in. Click confirm. Wait for it to validate and then click this download button and it will start downloading. Now, I'm not going to make you wait because that is a fairly chunky 5.1 gigabyte download. So whilst you wait for that to download, take a moment to like and subscribe and maybe even buy me a coffee from the link in the description. Additionally, while you're waiting, let's make a quick registry fix to allow it to skip the processor check. So to do this, all we're going to do is click on the Windows logo down in the bottom left here, type in registry editor, and it should pop up like that. Click yes or enter your password if your system's set up that way. If you don't have a password or an admin password, then you shouldn't be doing this on your machine anyway. So select yes to that, and where you're going to want to navigate to in here is HKey local machine, system, setup, and then you may already have in here a folder called Mo Setup or MO Setup like that. If you don't have it, don't worry. All you need to do, I'm going to delete this one so you can see, is select, right click on setup, select new, choose key, and create a folder called MO Setup. Now, with anything in the registry, the capitalization, the spelling is very important. So you do need to make sure it's capital M, capital S. Once you've got your folder, you're going to right click over here in the blank area, choose new, and choose DWORD 32-bit value. Now for this, you're going to want to call it allow upgrade with unsupported TPM or CPU. Oh, and don't do what I just did and make a spelling mistake. So it's allow with a capital A, upgrades, with an S, with unsupported TPM or CPU. Capitalization exactly like it is there. Now that I've got it right, press enter on that and you can see the full thing there. Once you've got it and you're happy with how it's spelt and it's correct, double click it and you're going to want to put a number 1 into the value field. Click OK, close out of your registry editor, and hopefully now your Windows 11 ISO has finished downloading. Well, maybe if you're on a super fast internet, but if it's not, make sure you've double checked, liked and subscribed, and then grab yourself a coffee. Once it does finish downloading, all you're going to want to do is browse to wherever you just downloaded to, which is as simple as going into your downloads, clicking the little folder icon, and you'll see it here, but it's usually in your downloads folder. And then you're going to right click and choose mount. You'll get a security warning, just click open, and that'll give you a view of all the files that are in that download. Simply double click the setup file, yes to the allow, and what will happen is it will go through the initial setup, and hopefully this time you won't get any warning about unsupported CPUs. If this helped, make sure you leave a comment down below, like and subscribe, all the usual bits. Consider buying me a coffee in the link in the description. If it didn't help, leave me a message, and if I can, I'll give you a shout back and we might do a remote support session and get this working for you. Thanks again for watching, and as always, have a great day.